Cleaning is something we do every day, and right now you may feel like these wipes are your best friends. But are you cleaning the right way? Media Gear PureWow shares tips on how to get the perfect clean. The terms cleaning and disinfecting are both essential in sanitizing our homes, but the difference is worth pointing out. The CDC explains that cleaning is the removal of germs, dirt, and impurities from a surface, while disinfecting refers to the use of chemicals killing germs. By practicing both of these methods, you can protect your home from unwanted germs. Start by cleaning with soap and water to make sure it's free of debris and grime. Then to finish the job, use disinfecting spray or wipes to get a sanitizing shine. Having trouble finding disinfectant? No problem. The CDC says that you can make your own by simply mixing 5 tablespoons of bleach per gallon of water. Once you have all the right elements, you should wipe down frequently used items like doorknobs, light switches, remotes, and touchscreen devices. After you finish that, go and disinfect other areas of your home that get overlooked, such as clothing hampers, commonly used furniture, and even flooring. Last but not least, don't forget to follow the instructions on your product packaging to guarantee a better clean. Well, and while you're at home, why not crank up the tunes and make it a disinfecting day for the entire family?